to the Kitty's Mama Advent Calendar Parlor. Today we're gonna be discussing day 4 of the Advent Calendar doing business.
Yep.
And now if you haven't hit that there subscribe button, go ahead and spit your tobacco in the subscribe bell so you can get notified about our uploads.
Even if it don't work?
You should follow us on Twitter and Instagram to know for sure when we upload.
Oh, the newfangled gram I be hearing about. Let's get right on in.
Pictograph. Alright, so now,
If you haven't watched one of these before, we've got multiple small Advent calendars here that we open up inside of this video. Jonah's got jerky, Emma's got makeup and jewelry, I've got cheese, we've got Christmas and nativity scene.
and also, those presents over there are PR presents. They're from companies. So, we're going to be starting with the Precious Moments Nativity set. So thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product! It's a hay.
It's a hay bale. Tired and exhausted
Hay
from their
bales.
very long ride, they looked for a quiet inn where they could be inside.
Noah, would you do the honors of getting the 4th one out of the other Precious Moments Advent Calendar? Thank you for the
Of
free product.
course!
Something fell.
This is, oh, I know what this is.
Something missing.
This is Sissy Snowman.
Sissy Snowman.
Exactly.
You have to wait.
Yes,
We have
hold
to
on.
wait.
Here comes Sissy smiling bright. She can't believe this wonderful sight.
Give him.
Hold up. I gotta fix
Oh.
her arms.
Oh, dang, she is.
Emma is contorting her arms in the shape.
This is what they're supposed to look like.
Toward those arms, Emma.
And most of the bones in my body.
All right. It's only except when he does it. No, it fell. All right, so now we got day. What are we on? 4 of the good old jerky calendar.
Oh, I bet this one is eel.
I hope
Ew.
so. All right. Today's is a very slab. It's a slab. It's very slabby. This is a honey bourbon elk strips. So the last one yesterday was garlic elk strips.
This is gonna be like the bourbon one of the deer. Maybe I'll like this one more than the
I
bourbon
like
deer.
So far, I like the elk jerky better than the deer jerky.
I like the deer bourbon the most. So maybe this elk bourbon will be even better than the deer bourbon.
What do you want?
Yeah. What is it exactly? I wasn't paying attention.
Honey bourbon elk strip.
Ooh, that's tough.
It is tough, which I actually like better than like really soft.
Yeah, I like that. It's nice. Good chewing.
You didn't want to try any meat?
The flavor's weird. It's like sweet.
I like that. I like that.
It's something.
Yesterday was still my favorite, but that was pretty good.
I like the bourbon. I like the deer bourbon still the most.
Elk, I think I like the elk better than the deer so far.
I've got one in place.
Yeah.
Didn't mean to do that.
He's so happy.
That was pee good.
I'm doing the bracelet now. The one of the charms for the bracelet.
Oh.
Like elbow. So this one.
No.
This one is something.
You predicted exactly right. Alright, this one is a circle with purple rhinestones on it. Alright, I'm gonna put it on the bracelet now.
Not coming out.
Got him.
Makeup. And also, a lot of the makeup ones in here have shifted around. And I've been trying to put them back into place without being able to see them.
I want the green one.
And it's very hard.
That is precisely right.
Wow. Alright. So, I got
Glow gloss! Glam gloss.
I got another glam gloss. Alright, cheese time.
Are you guys ready for some cheese? Alright, so this is number 4 here. We're gonna open up.
No,
You
just
stop
threw
Pay
it.
attention, Micah. They're gonna do cheese.
Micah, cheese! Cheese, cheese, cheese. Watch.
Well, you don't
That's some cheese right there.
What is that? Is it gonna be the same thing as yesterday?
Aged cheddar.
It is.
No, wait, no. Aged cheddar was yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah.
He didn't like it. You're gonna give him that whole thing.
He remembers yesterday was literally like 30 minutes ago.
He does. That's a huge piece.
Oh my god.
He didn't even like it. He's just gonna spit it out.
Tiger, do you want cheese?
No.
I love that. Oh, he's giving it a second try. He's trying it again. He loves it.
I still gotta finish my cheese.
Why is
It's growing on him.
is he going back for it?
Alright, we can open up the gift for cheese.
And now he's done.
And now we're going to our PR gifts.
What is it?
I don't know.
Gotta be. Let me open it.
I don't know, but it's shaped like an egg.
Hey, yo, hand me cheese.
Go ahead.
Like a head.
Hand me cheese.
Can you remove that?
Ha! I see something. I see something.
Yeah.
What is it? What is it?
It's Squigz.
Let's open it. Let's open it.
Squigz.
What is it?
Squigz.
Squigz.
This is from Fat Brain Toyco.
Fat brain.
Let's build
So
it.
thank
Brain
you,
again.
Fat Brain Toyco, for the free
Let's
product.
build it.
Move on.
These are fun.
Whoa.
Hold on, these are fun. Squid.
Oh.
Whoa, that was my favorite. This one is so cool.
Isn't this epic?
That is pretty
Oh
cool.
my gosh.
I go fall. I go fall.
And now we're gonna move on to this little rectangular gift. This is a family gift.
Oh,
Oh.
dang.
It's a roll of duct tape.
Oh
Oh no! It's time Monday now.
no. Dang, dang, diggity, dang, dang.
Ah!
Dang, dang, dang. Margaret, dump truck.
Uh-huh.
Martha, dump truck.
Haven't you seen Heather's? This is a llama ornament from Precious Moments.
That's just.
So thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
What you making?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought the picture on it was in black and white, so I didn't process that he is going to be colored. Cute. He is so cute.
That's good. That is pretty dang cute.
Mom.
Who's trying to build?
All right, this one right here is the donate one, and Luca was playing with it earlier. That's why it is halfway open.
I'm sure they saw that.
I'm building.
I'm sure they were looking.
Yeah.
I am looking.
All right, which is what I say at
What's
every
your
time I speak.
Oh,
So-
no.
We're gonna make it.
So this is a Pikmi Pops Cheeky Puff, and this is from Moose. So thank you, Moose, for the free product. This will be donated to children. All right, the last present, which is over there, is Luca's. Noah.
Noah, come on. All right, Luca. Want to open this? Let me get it started for you.
Ah!
Frankie battery, so we really don't have
Open your mouth. All right.
What's this?
You only got the
He
wrapping
likes
paper.
the paper. All right.
More
So this
glass half time?
these are adorable.
Yeah,
Look at
good.
them. These are Tub
They
Buddies.
float?
Tub buddies.
These are from EduShape.
We need
EduShape.
one.
EduShape. Thank you for
Yeah,
the free
it's
product.
EduShape.
Wow. All right, Luca is enthralled with that paper right there. So I'm just gonna set these right up here.
Look.
And Micah took them.
Mama.
So thank you for watching. Tune in tomorrow for the 5th episode, which will be uploaded before noon p.m. So thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, thumbs up on Twitter, and bye YouTube.
Oh, dang. Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube.